Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. It is amazing how something as simple as a shower curtain rod like this one from BRIOFOX can totally change the ambience of your bathroom.
So we recently moved into a new apartment and we wanted to update the shower curtain. And this one was perfect because it has that anti-slip rubber at the end, and then both ends unscrew. So if you have shower curtain rings that you need to slip on, it makes it so much easier. And the installation was an absolute breeze. All you had to do was rotate the one end of the shower curtain rod until it reached the length that you desired. And then once you got to the length, all you had to do is just twist it a little bit more and it was firmly in place. And as you can see, it really does make a difference. It turns your ordinary looking bathroom into something more modern, something as simple as just replacing the shower curtain rod.
So if you're trying to modernize your bathroom, but just do it in an easy way, something as simple as just replacing the shower curtain rod is all you have to do. And that is just my point of view.